Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Aiden over here with his best friend, Jonathan. Shut the... I don't know who that is. We're cleaning his lawnmower.
I'm getting mad at it because it's stupid.
Stop.
Stupid.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
What flavor?
I gotta film. I like this all the time.
Why?
I don't know. I pushed the button. I was not supposed to push that button. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, we're just cleaning his lawnmower.
He's ugly. You're ugly. No, you are. You are. No, you are. This is probably.
Look at the top of his head.
Oh, flip. Smells a lot like gas.
It does.
Probably messed it up.
Hey, you ruined my dinner.
This kid likes to eat grass.
It's just grass. Actually, no, it's poop.
I can tell if I'm getting good angles or not.
Hi.
Can you tell me if I'm getting good angles? Got it?
Beep, 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 beep.
Why can't you flip the camera over?
I don't know. My phone's weird. Anyway, we're kind of bored, so we just decided to make a video and a YouTube channel. I'm Aiden.
What?
And I'm Jonathan. Which I'm bored.
We are very bored.
Aiden, want to see how much oil is left in this thing?
How much? Let's check this dipstick.
Freaking that's Oh yeah, it got tipped over. That's
Yeah.
why.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta go bring me some paper towel.
So
Here, Aiden, I have an idea so we can get the exact amount of oil in there.
here, I'm trying to get good angles.
Just hold it.
Trying to get good angles.
Look, I have an idea to get the right amount of oil in there. Just filling this up. Look, just filling this little yellow bucket up.
Okay.
Should we use this one? I mean, it's the same weight.
Yeah. Oh no, that's way different.
What do you mean it's weight?
Oh no, it's not. We're good.
See? Because this also says this. Let me use this one. Fill that little tub up.
What?
Where did it go away? Filling the oil. And I'm stupid.
More totally said a bad word.
More. It has to fill up. Oh, that's just disappointing.
That is very disappointing.
That's just disappointing. There wasn't enough oil in there.
I don't know what he's doing.
Because I'm stupid.
Very weird.
Here. Hold the phone.
Fucking open. This is PG-13, by the way. You got no,
Oh,
you
shit.
don't got this. Hey, no bad words on my profile. I had to edit that out.
Should I just fill it up to the top?
I mean, probably not to the top. All right. My God, that's enough.
Oh man, I got oil all over my finger.
All right, now we're gonna get these good angles, okay?
Good angles. That's great.
Oh my God.
I wonder how much oil is left in this thing. Here, just take this one. I'll dump it into the lawnmower.
Today we're going
I
to
just
do.
hope this doesn't break
Right.
my lawnmower.
Yeah.
This could be bad. We're gonna go bring me a napkin. Oh snap!
I like the way.
Go bring me a napkin.
Stop.
And bring my phone. What are you doing?
A bad orange justice.
I bet you are. I just hope this doesn't mess up my tank. Does it really matter if it goes over the line?
Kind of.
Oh, fuck.
That should be enough.
Yeah, because I almost put the whole bottle in there.
Oh, dang, that's too much. Oh, what is my hair doing?
I don't know. Probably stupid.
Hi, welcome to Chinese. Alright,
What?
leave it there for a couple of seconds and then we'll check it.
Hold on, but I gotta get the napkin so I can clean the dipstick.
Yeah.
That's,
Say hi!
you're just pointing it at me, you stupid head.
Say hi! Dallas, say hi!
Give me the paper.
That's my friend Dallas. He goes to our school.
No. Oh yeah.
Huh. After we're done cleaning this thing, we're gonna go see his birds.
Yeah, I have very beautiful birdies.
One of them's
Freaking-
very mean, but the other one's super nice.
Freaking my brother didn't put Aiden in there.
What?
I found him in the on the back of the tent outside. He was about to fall into the basement.
Oh yeah, by the way, I wonder if I want to go into your basement. You ever been in your basement?
I have. It's creepy. Freaking,
I like creepy things. That's good content.
let's start a video of creepy stuff.
Hmm.
Holy smokes, that's way too much I put in there. I'm just stuck the whole bottle in there.
Number 5. Burger King foot fungus.
I'm gonna just dump 150 liters out. I mean, milliliters or ounces of.
Either way,
oil
you're
in there.
fine.
Cause this is how much oil got in there.
That's actually pretty good.
Hold on, let me check it again.
No more. Why'd you bring that out here, Odian? This guy right here is not the brightest.
And he's horrible at everything.
No, not everything. Wait,
Want water?
I do not want water. Look at those grimy hands. Look at that grimy face. Dang, that's freaking disgusting.
Holy smokes. Yeah, that's about how much oil is in there.
Yeah, we should be good then.
Come on.
Ah! Stop, Odian.
I'm just
Break your
doing
ankle.
stupid stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna refill this. So
Alright,
next time I have no oil, I get this cut out.
All right.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm going for a walk. Oh! Tricked
What
you.
was that?
Ah! I tricked you. Thought I dropped my phone. Oh my god. Ah!
Come get this mosquito off me because it's so.
You're
annoying.
bad, dude.
Where?
You're bad.
Where?
It's around me somewhere.
Oh.
Want to know how much this oil costs?
How much did this O'Reilly motor oil cost?
$3.
Jeez, I'm just kidding. That's actually pretty good.
2 whole oil.
Weekly. Weekly.
Okay, that's the end of this bottle.
Todoroki-kun. I'm in weeb.
You're in dude.
I'm a winner.
What the
Yeah, me and him are both weebs. We like anime.
Bro, what the
No,
heck?
there's stuff.
There's a
You can
freaking cap in there.
Oh my god.
But?
That's just messed up.
Ha 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 ha.
Is this one the one that goes here? No, this one goes over there.
Why won't
Hey,
my
give me the
camera
napkin.
flip around?